We're going to the dump yard today, dumping this pile of trash, and then we have more to fill up. Baby's just hanging out, checking out what the boys are doing. Here you go, honey. Here's your dump truck. We're gonna go to the dump yard today, okay? So very, very interested to see what the boys are doing. Gonna attach this, lock it in, and this is a trailer. This is a dump truck. So he's the big guns. And we definitely gotta whack these weeds because it's starting to pull up on the turf. So it's expensive turf. So we gotta make sure that we don't waste it. And people be bringing their dogs up in here, like seriously, what the heck? We're all buckled in, ready to go to the dump yard. The Scoop's little dump truck. Okay, well, look at that dump truck over there. I didn't really miss it. It's going down, okay?
Oh, that trash he took out though.
What did they have inside?
A lot of stuff.
Oh man. Baby is asleep. So I'm happy. Not many people dumping in this part of the area, right? So not too bad. Okay, so we backed it up to this area. They told us to go around here. Everyone's dumping. Ours is a lower one because Brian didn't want to get a high one. The walls on these ones right here to the side is higher. And you probably have to have more power to like, you know, pull it. And we don't really have that manpower in this truck. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Look at this big tractor. Whoa. It's going to remove all this trash that guy just dumped. Whoa.
Dump truck. Gotta clean it.
Here it comes again. It's crazy big. Monster truck. Oh my god. Wow. So they're gonna just bury all the trash here and wrap it up like that area back there and have new land. Build homes on top, I suppose.
Time for this.
Why can't you open the other side? What open the baby for? Okay, we're lifting our trash away. Can't see it, but... Oh, you're awake? You're awake? You're awake? Huh? Quick nap, huh? So we gotta drive it off because it's like...
More? Okay.
And just like that, we have an empty truck trailer to haul. They missed a piece. Put more trash in. We got some construction going on today. Continuation. Laundry room is almost down. More stuff, and we got that open, wide open. Sushi again. We're a little bit low on soy sauce, but it's okay. It's good without it, just fine.